So we are going to make plates next, and there are sort of two modes. One mode is going from the glycerol stock that was stored in -80 and making plate number 1. We call a plate number 1 when it's come from directly the original master glycerol stock. Okay, and then after 3 days we transfer colonies from plate number 1 to what we call plate number 2. Okay, and then after another 3 days we transfer colonies from plate number 2 to plate number 3, and then we don't go to plate number 4, we go back to the glycerol stock to make plate number 1 the next week. The reason we go back to our original stock is because, one, there could be a contaminant introduced in the plate while it was being handled, and that contaminant can, creep into our experiments, and it might take us time to realize that has happened. And the second thing is, just more subtle but still very important, that the bug itself can evolve, right? I mean, a week or two is very little time, probably, but still, if you just keep using a strain over and over again without going to the original master stock, this bug is facing different environmental conditions as we keep using it, and it could lose a gene, it could change the pigments it's producing and so on, and it happens. The strain that we got from Jim Tichy's lab, the Shokwa strain, Sumaya noticed that for a long time it looked slightly different on the plates than our chlororaphis that we had been using, even when they gave same results when we used mass spec. So because they gave identical results, we weren't concerned, but those kind of mutations, a little change in one gene, second gene, whatever, can always happen.